That's a lot, man.
Record.
Nice
There
toy.
we go.
You should come for me.
Supposed to have a zoom, but I haven't. Woo! There's my girl. Whoop. Second thought, go back out. Go back out. She's too quick. I can't catch her close. Evie! Okay, I'm not good at this. Oh, look at the big dog. No, that wasn't Shadow, that was your other one. And people over here, and we're under the overpass. The dog park is under the overpass. And a bench. Right here by the railroad track. Sometimes we get trains and it gets really, really loud. But that's okay, we enjoy it anyway.